Well, it happened. This is Petey from the Spinner Rack, and after a long time of deliberating, I decided to get. Sorry, I had to get rid of that. Get an artist edition. So. Packed pretty nicely so far. Let's see. Okay. This will be. I had to do it, y'all. This is crazy. Uh-oh. There it is. Sealed. This is what brings down the value. But if you're a fan, you gotta take it out. This was it. This is what we've been waiting for. Oh my goodness. Let's take. There we go. This is pretty major. This is the box. I already showed you it opened. It's DC and IDW. They got a bunch of stuff coming in Batman soon. They got damn, this might be bigger than some of my other ones. The saddest moment when you say you have a collector's item but it needs to be in the plastic, and I take it out the plastic. The collector in me is almost gone, and the fan. They have to also imagine, I don't know if I said this. Oh, I don't even know if I did the Batman one, because I have the Batman one here. Being fans of Walter Simonson, Byrne, Perez, Paul Smith. Oh, sorry, I hit it. Been fans of the old guard, or to some would be the young guard. David Mazzucchelli was going to be the next guy. I was going to collect all of his stuff. And I tried to, but he left for a while. I didn't know where he was until Wizard did a blurb about him being doing this thing called Rubber Blanket in City of Glass, and he also did the best graphic novel ever done, Asteros Populate. Yeah, his Batman as a kid that he did. It's a book you never meant to see. A forward, right? Good Lord. And this is his drawings of finding what Batman looked like. And there's a Gregory Peck. And if we got the classic Jim Gordon, the gray-haired one. And this would be one of my favorite images, along with this one for the ads, the promotional pieces. Another ad, the pencil drawings. Good Lord. I think the Todd McFarlane one has smaller pages for his Amazing Spider-Man stuff. So it's kind of, oh, so it's great seeing the pencils. Oh, good Lord. Yeah. I don't know why it took me so long to get this one. It took me a while to get this one. That's like the Kirby ones. Man. Pull it up a little. There we go. So it's like Batman and Commissioner Gordon having their origin of birth at the same time, where Gordon is straightening out the police. Batman is failing at doing what he planned to do, his war on crime. And this is the harder part for me of this story, is that they're basically saying Batman doesn't work, right? Like the idea is that Batman doesn't work, so he adopts a costume. So we got the prelims. You can send to Miller. Miller can do some initial dialogue. They can look over stuff, get a pull from the editor too. I'm pretty sure. Good Lord. How did I do this? Oh man. Look at that. So if I wanted to print my own, I could do it. Man, this is crazy. I wish the Angel story was in here too. And the first appearance of the Batman. And the Man of Steel gets mentioned a lot. Because this started from the project Metropolis and turned into Batman's origin. So his skills come into play. Looks a little more like Adam West. But it was interesting that Miller would play a chance to play with the stuff that the fans had given up, which was Adam West. Right? So Mazzuchelli in his realistic Batman goes to a dark, and here's where Harvey Dent gets fingered as Batman, but he's not. You see a homeless woman in trouble, no time to save it. Batman gets there in time, but he's caught by the police. Batman can't do it. Shot in the leg. And the roof is blown. And once again, the prelims. Man, can't believe I waited this long. I think I'm gonna run out of battery power. There's the cover. Before I run out of battery power, let's see how it ends. Oh God, it's crazy. I feel like that's on tracing paper. We have covers for the trades. Guess this is supposed to be the who's who. Yep. And there's an overlay and a cool sort of backdrop. That's how it ends. So if this thing stops beforehand, and saves the cat. He's just mad at the one who messed up the cat. And he brings in the bats, which at least helps him to his escape. Batman decides he needs Jim Gordon. We got the Catwoman scene. She leaves her time with hooking, beats up the Wesley, which she could have done at any time. And I think this is the person who winds up at the end of the Dark Knight, Sarah. And Don cheated on his wife. This is where they ran into the thing and saying, you can't make her into Batgirl. They make Batgirl like 5 years old. cover and the inside splash. Catches this drug dealer. And this is where the whole thing, oh no. And right here, there might have been a gap because I didn't see the what's the name. Just make sure we get the cover and inside splash. And they busted Gordon kissing another woman. Then Gordon's with his wife, meeting Bruce Wayne. And this is where the major change, where I was just like, what? I thought they were friends. So this is their first meeting, and I was just like, and this sequence right here is the basis of the Long Halloween. And Archie Goodwin kind of talked them into doing a longer series after that. You know, after the initial thing, right? Batman stops them from killing Catwoman. The other thing is that the heroes can kind of dodge bullets. This is comic books. It's just kind of forgotten. And Gordon shoots Batman, and he says, okay, you have to trust me. I won't let your boy die. Batman's showed in full. It's a noir character. Kind of pushing it, not having his mask on and interacting in the day. And kind of forced, instead of just having Batman go and save the day. And we see the end, right? Sketch. Now, I like the original, but this is how Gordon and Batman and Robin became friends. But this is amazing. Glad I finally got it. Now I gotta figure out where to put it. All right, y'all. There we go. It's kind of things I want to read with my shoes off, like I was a kid and whatnot. But there it is. Spin rack out.